Welcome to Millionaire Motion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Sneakers have evolved from being just athletic footwear to becoming highly coveted collector's items, often worth millions of dollars. Over the past decade, the sneaker culture has exploded worldwide, with enthusiasts and celebrities driving demand for rare, limited edition, and iconic shoes. Some sneakers have transcended their functional purpose to become true investment assets, appreciated not only for their design and history but also for their potential financial value. Today, we're diving deep into sneaker collections worth millions, exploring the most prized pairs, what makes them valuable, and how collectors build such extraordinary collections. One of the most famous sneaker collections belongs to Michael Jordan himself, whose signature Air Jordan line revolutionized sneaker culture. The Air Jordan 1, originally released in 1985, is among the most iconic sneakers ever produced. Early editions, particularly rare colorways or banned versions, have sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars at auctions. Collectors value these sneakers not only for their rarity but also for their cultural significance. Owning a piece of Jordan history is like holding a piece of sports and fashion legacy. Another example is Kanye West's Yeezy collection, which brought unprecedented hype and limited supply to the sneaker market. From the original Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 to exclusive colorways, these sneakers are in high demand, with resale prices often soaring well above retail. The combination of celebrity influence, limited production, and cutting-edge design has transformed Yeezys into some of the most lucrative sneakers to own. Collectors who invest in these rare pairs often see tremendous returns over time, making the sneakers both a fashion statement and a financial asset. Sneaker collections are also driven by collaborations. Partnerships between brands like Nike, Adidas, and Off-White or artists like Travis Scott have created some of the most valuable sneakers in the world. Limited releases like the Travis Scott X Air Jordan 1 or Off-White X Nike collections have fetched hundreds of thousands of dollars on the secondary market. What makes these collaborations special is the combination of brand reputation, celebrity influence, limited supply, and unique design elements that cannot be replicated. The value of a sneaker is not solely determined by the brand or celebrity endorsement. Rarity, condition, and provenance play a crucial role. Sneakers that are unworn, in original packaging, and with verified authenticity command the highest prices. Some collectors go to great lengths to preserve their sneakers, storing them in climate-controlled environments and using protective cases to maintain pristine condition. The most valuable collections often include a mix of historic sneakers, rare collaborations, and modern releases that are projected to appreciate in value over time. Sneaker collecting has also become a serious investment strategy. Just like art or classic cars, rare sneakers have consistently appreciated in value, sometimes exponentially. Platforms like StockX, GOAT, and Stadium Goods have transformed sneaker collecting into a transparent marketplace where prices, trends, and authenticity are tracked. Savvy collectors study market trends, release dates, and cultural relevance to determine which sneakers will become valuable over time. The intersection of hype culture, nostalgia, and limited supply makes sneakers an attractive alternative investment for many. Some of the most expensive sneakers ever sold at auction include Nike Air Mag from Back to the Future, the solid gold OVO X Air Jordans, and various vintage Air Jordans from the 80s and 90s. Prices for these sneakers have reached into the hundreds of thousands, and in some cases, even millions of dollars. Collectors are willing to pay premium prices because these sneakers are not only rare but also hold immense cultural and historical significance. They represent a moment in time, a milestone in fashion, and a connection to pop culture icons. Building a sneaker collection worth millions requires strategy, patience, and knowledge. Collectors must stay informed about upcoming releases, limited editions, and collaborations. They must also understand the resale market and be prepared to act quickly, as highly sought-after sneakers often sell out within minutes. Networking with other collectors, attending sneaker conventions, and joining online communities are also key to gaining insights and access to rare pairs. Another aspect of millionaire sneaker collections is diversification within the collection itself. Savvy collectors invest in different types of sneakers, vintage, limited releases, celebrity collaborations, and even regional exclusives. This approach ensures that their portfolio of sneakers maintains long-term value while also allowing them to capitalize on current trends. Collectors also focus on maintaining impeccable condition and authenticity, often hiring professional graders to certify rare pairs, further enhancing their market value. Sneaker culture is not only about the shoes themselves but also about the stories and experiences attached to them. Each pair in a $1 million collection often has a narrative, whether it's the first release of a legendary design, a collaboration that changed the market, or a shoe worn by an iconic athlete. These stories add emotional and cultural value, making the sneakers much more than mere footwear. They become cultural artifacts. In conclusion, a sneaker collection worth millions is a combination of passion, strategy, and market insight. From Air Jordans and Yeezys to rare collaborations and vintage collectibles, these shoes have become both fashion statements and investment assets. Whether you are a sneakerhead or an aspiring collector, understanding what makes sneakers valuable, maintaining their condition, and staying ahead of trends are key to building a collection that not only looks incredible but also appreciates in value over time. The world of high-end sneaker collecting is fascinating, dynamic, and full of opportunity for those who approach it with knowledge, patience, and a love for the culture.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.